रोगोरोधबलभ्रंशगौरवानिलमूढता आलस्यापत्तिनिष्ठीव मलसंगारचक्लमा. This is the description mentioned in the context of Samanya Ama Lakshana. From the past several videos, we have discussed the Samanya Ama Lakshana, its application in terms of Srotorodha, Balabhramsha, Gaurava, Anilamudhataha, Alasya, Apakti, Nishtiva, and Malasanga. In today's video, we are going to discuss the context of Klama and its interpretation with the presence of Ama in the body. When you think about the Klama, actually this has a misnomer with the Shrama. The term Shrama is developing the physical exhaustion by doing the exertional activities, whereas Klama refers to the development of the physical exertion without doing any kind of the physical activity. When you think about this particular Klama, refers to the person will be having the hampered digestion in the alimentary canal. When there is hampered digestion in the alimentary canal, the main source of the energy supply from the alimentary canal is going to get reduced to the different body tissues. Hence, the body tries to utilize the stored energy present in the body, initially in the form of the fat, later it will be in the form of the proteins that are going to get utilized. Because of this particular reason, the person will be having the nutrient deficiency. This will be leading to the actual physical exertion or exhaustion there without doing any kind of the activity. So when you are looking into that, as we have discussed earlier, because of the poor conversion of macromolecules or intermediate molecules into the macromolecules, this will be leading to the reduced absorption that is going to take place from the alimentary canal. So here reduced absorption in the sense it is considered to be the utilizable macromolecules. Though macromolecules are going to get transported from the alimentary canal into the intravascular compartment, which will be getting further enter into the blood vessels, that is via lymphatic system. It will not be moving via portal system. Because of this, these macromolecules or intermediate molecules, as we have discussed earlier, this will be moving into the intravascular compartment. As they are macromolecules in size, they are not moving into the portal system. They will be taking the alternative system, that is lymphatic system. From there it will be entering into the heart. From there it will be entering into the circulatory system. From there it will be entering into the interstitial spaces. From there it will be moving into the intracellular spaces as such. So because of the unusable macromolecules by the cells as such, this will be leading to the carbohydrate depletion initially. This will be followed by fat depletion, and this will be followed by protein depletion. This will be leading to the condition called metabolic acidosis. The use of the fat that will be converted into ketosis and the muscle metabolism leading to the formation of lactic acidosis. Both are together termed as metabolic acidosis. This will be considered will be happening in the mechanism of Klama as such. Dear ANA community, this is the actual interpretation of the Klama and its the relation with presence of Ama in the body. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. And what is the one video that you would like to hear in the coming days? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Ayurveda learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Thank you.